Now, how does the bias creep into predictive tools in project management?
So there's uh, bias everywhere. I think, Prem, we are biased creatures. We are training AIs, AI biased, right? There is never a perfect human. We don't have such perfection in humans. So we can't expect to get perfection in systems that are built by humans. So bias does creep in at all levels. There is not only the bias where, for example, younger people were chucked out of hiring practices because the ATS was trained to take only middle level people, right? There was also this case study where Harvard, for example, the system, the ATS system that they employed, had eliminated all the women graduates who had applied for Harvard medical course just because the gender was female, right? Like not only ageism bias, gender bias, but there can also be a lot of other kinds of hallucinations creeping in because of the data sets that have been fed into the algorithms, right? So we need to ensure that the kind of data that goes in is very well filtered. It's also very objective, not subjective. It carries no bias. So it's like a garbage in, garbage out principle, right? So you push something into the algorithms will act accordingly, right? And we have seen the negative side effects of this, for example, in several cases, like I mentioned, right? I mean, we have these communities talking about women in AI, and women need to be where decisions are made, and women need to be in these AI committees because the men definitely wouldn't see that as a hindrance in their career growth or progression. But the women have faced the gender bias because of these algorithms which are put in practice in the professional field, right? And it really annoys and irritates us, right? I mean, for no fault of us, if we are disqualified, just because the AI algorithm behind the scene took it as a gender bias, right? So AI has not been built or filtered to remove these kinds of biases, right? So I think that's something which is actively going on, and we should continue working towards making it fair and unbiased.